Hi guys, this is Krishnamurthy, Assistant Professor, Department Biotech, AS College of Arts and Science. Tissue culture. Before going to chapter, tissue culture have an basic steps involved. Course. First one is totipotency. Second one is differentiation. Third one is de-differentiation. Fourth one is re-differentiation. What is totipotency? Totipotency nothing but genetic material of any plant, then go to grow new one. That is called as totipotency. Plant tissue culture nothing but any part of plant, root, stem, flower, also leaf, any part of plant then can produce new one of the new individual. That is called as plant tissue culture. Same as history. And first 1902 totipotency plants was given by Urban Land, and 1937 White first time established successful root culture of tomato. The also white cultured media is also white media. Third one is Wennerberg. I used coconut milk for grow and development of young datura embryos. Fourth one is Scoop Miller demonstrated the role of auxin, cytokinin on root and shoot formation in tobacco tissues. They are named called as MS Scoop medium. Actually named as molasses Scoop medium. Then produced as 1962, molasses and Scoop both are mixing named as molasses Scoop in 1962. This medium as MS medium. And 1987, isolation of Bt genes of Bacterium bacillus thuringiensis. These are fundamentals of principles. Actually, I am told that first slide of before that, totipotency is the ability of plant cells to regenerate in the whole plant. Plasticity, it is the ability of plants to alter their metabolism to grow the development of best shoot of the environment. Actually explained is one of the important role in the plant tissue culture. Plant tissue culture are generally initial from the multicellular tissue fragments called as explants obtained from the living plants. Living cells only then can grow to develop the plant tissue culture and in vitro aseptic conditions. Explant may originate from wide range of plant tissues such as leaf, stem, root, petiole, hypocotyl, cotyledons, embryo and meristems. Selection of explant. Then how to select the explant? Explant one of the most important. Before that, youngest explant only we can select. The explant selected is either haploid or diploid explant. The plant growth can be achieved in two ways. First one is shoot directly by the abrasiate media. Second is by somatic embryogenesis. Sterilization one of the important one of the stage of plant tissue culture. Sterilization method used in the tissue culture laboratory. All the materials, example as vessels, instrument, media, plant material, and the in vitro culture laboratory also. In culture work must be freed from microbes. These are sterilization technique. Sterilization is achieved by the one of the following approaches. First one is a dry heat treatment, flame sterilization, autoclaving, filter sterilization, wiping with the 70% of ethanol. Last one is surface sterilization. Explants, culture media. Explants are the one of the usually placed on the surface of soil culture medium, but are sometimes placed indirectly in the liquid medium when cells culture as desired. Actually, media maximum worldwide using MS media. MS media only didn't of agar placed on the agar, then only solidifying the stages. Before actually not using the agar, they are liquid medium. Culture media are generally composed of the inorganic salts plus a few organic nutrients, vitamins, and plant hormones. A culture grow piece of a typically sliced off and transferred to new media subculture to allow for the growing stages to alter the morphology of the culture. Major type of media. White medium. First introduce and plant tissue culture white medium and 1902 is one of the earliest plant tissue culture media. Second was MS media formed by the Morris and Cook is 1962, most widely used for the many type of culture system, then only produce of plant tissue culture maximum worldwide using MS medium only. Then B5 medium to develop the Camberg for cell suspensions and callus culture at present is a modifier from the use for protoplast culture. Last one is N6 medium formed by the Chu and used for the Kriel Yantha culture at the next niche medium to develop the niche and used for the Anther culture. Following steps of plant tissue culture using the techniques. First one is a plant selection. Selection is the most important. Then next is isolation of explants. At young explants we can isolate. After that we can use of plant tissue culture. Third one is sterilization of explant. After getting explant, then go to sterilization. After that inoculation of explant. Most important, in vitro laboratory we can use in sterilized equipment. After that we can use of inoculation of explants. Incubation. After that inoculation of explant, we are waiting a incubation times. After incubation, initial of callus present in the blood vessels and petripulate or test tubes. Then the next step of the going to the subculturing. After getting explants result callus and leaf shoot anywhere anything. After getting a callus result, we can use in the next step of the subculturing. Subculturing, after that regeneration is before step of gardening. After that we can go to hardening, the placement of new individual placed new growthment. This transfer of plant slates to greenhouse or open field. Actually this is a type of PTC. PTC means plant culture. First one is seed culture, meristem culture, protoplast culture, organ culture, pollen culture, callus culture, cell culture, and embryo culture. Factor of culture efficiency. The plant regeneration of tissue culture varies with the following parameters: plant species, genotype within the species, source of culture tissue, age and health of donor plant, nutrient medium, other and factors. Then continues of commercial production of plant used in potting, landscape and florist subjected to conserve rare or endangered plant species. Actually most important was the endangered plant only we can using the in this in vitro laboratory we can using tissue culture to screen cells rather than plants to advantageous character of herbicide resistant and tolerances. Large scale growth of plant cells and liquid culture in bioreactor from production of valuable compounds like plant derived secondary metabolites and recombinant protein used in biopharmaceuticals. To cross distinctly related species by protoplast fusion and regeneration of novel hybrid. To produce clean plant material from stock infected by viruses or other pathogens. Production of identical sterile hybrid species can be obtained. Okay, what the difference is the PTC and animal culture? PTC grow on aseptic temperature, example normal temperature for human 37 degrees Celsius, but PTC is 25 degrees Celsius, only they can grow the plants. Carbon dioxide is also required. Yes, here in vitro laboratory condition, carbon dioxide, oxygen, light intensity, pH, all are present in the in vitro of the laboratory. It needed proper change in the media, otherwise cells will not grow properly. Yes. Before that tissue culture, laboratory all are sterile condition, then only they can grow the plant, otherwise didn't grow of microbes. Animal cells needed protein and hormones for proper development. Thank you.